Just for up for you got that? Granny came. They come faster than they thinking. They can now got a that was epic. Took Brian. The light run because Brian can run. And the off that's how to use the double barrel shotgun in the Prince. Also known as the Prince unit, which is private. Don't say it's the police.